Guys, this is stuff your dreams are made of right here. Cajun shrimp Alfredo stuffed baked potato. I just can't think of anything better at the moment right now. One thing we've already done is got those potatoes baked. Of course, we had to prick them with a fork. Don't let your mind go anywhere when I say prick. And in this case, I air fried them. I got a little air fryer oven thing over there. Prepped those potatoes by putting a little olive oil over the top, a little salt. All we did was we put it to 400 degrees and we cooked them for 45 minutes. Now, they're already done. They're chilling in the oven right now while we prepare the Cajun shrimp Alfredo. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. This is gonna be amazing, tasty. I haven't even tasted it yet, but I know it's gonna be good. All right, so let's get down here, start preparing that Cajun shrimp Alfredo. Let's go. And of course, I forgot to say when I wanted to go, I'm still here. Still here. Guys, ingredients and prep will be down below in the video description too. Don't forget to check it out. Now I'm gonna go over there. Well, over here. Gotta go that way to turn off the camera to switch it up. You get the idea. All right, let's get this prep. We're going with a little olive oil. Stove is on medium. Few tablespoons of butter. Just let that melt and come together. What we already did with the shrimp is we took a little bit of olive oil and some hardcore carnivore Cajun seasoning. Guys, use whatever Cajun seasoning you have. Let's get these veggies sauteing. I got a little bit of just some diced bell pepper. It doesn't matter who dices it, right? Let's get those in. Want to sweat those down for a couple minutes. Get a little of that Cajun seasoning in on this too. We're gonna go in with a healthy tablespoon of minced garlic. And what I always say, it doesn't matter who minces it. Get that mixed up. Guys, the smells in here are insane. Smells so good. Give that a mix for about a minute. Let's get these shrimps in. Let's get them where they fit. This is a little bit more than a half a pound of 1620 jumbo shrimp. Give it about a minute or two on each side. You'll be good to go. Now these shrimp will take no time to cook. Like I said, a minute or so on each side. Just give them moving and grooving. The flavors we're building right here is just insane. Insane. Now, when you think of Alfredo, it's not a traditional Alfredo, so don't come at me in the comments. No one cares. We like a creamy Alfredo in the States. So that's what we're gonna use. We got a shit ton of cream over here. We got some Parmesan. We got little mozz. Trust me when I say this is the best. Let's say Parmesan cream sauce for all the authentic, Italians in the chat. You know who you are. Same people that hate on garlic. We're gonna give these a flip and start building that cream sauce. Shrimp have had enough time to do what shrimp do. They're nice and cooked through, not overly cooked, guys. Like I said, a minute and a half on each side. Now it's time to add the cream to it. We got about a cup and a half heavy cream. We'll just use our wooden spoon and work it all together. Just because we like it a little spicy, we're gonna add a little hot sauce to it. Little, a lot, well, whatever. Let this come up to a simmer. Okay, it's gonna start evaporating some of that cream. We want it to thicken up a little bit, so that's why we're letting it have a little bit of that kind of medium heat to let it reduce, right? Pretty simple. Another couple minutes and we'll add that Parmesan cheese to it and get it working, kind of finish it all up. Then we'll pull out those baked potatoes, start building it, baby. Time to get our grated Parmesan cheese in. Just give it a mix, get it all together. Let it reduce, got nice and thick in there. We're gonna add a little chopped parsley to it, just a little freshness. Let's get those potatoes out and we'll build them up. Potatoes are out, let's get them cut up. We're gonna do it English style. We're gonna go one way and then across, and then we'll push them all together. Whew. Ooh, that's hot. You can see the steam, baby. Now I got a little shredded mozz that's going on there. Time to get that Cajun shrimp Alfredo on. Going with a little bit more of those bright bell peppers. Finish it up with a little parsley. Tell you what, I've already taken a bite. It's good stuff. The flavors are insane. You're gonna love it. Like I said in the beginning, ingredients and prep are down below. If you want to get one of these Ninja XL ovens, the 14-in-1, 12-in-1, 45-in-1, whatever, there'll be a link down below in the video description. If you'd like to get anything I use in my videos, from knives to cutting boards to merch, all that good stuff, links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that know this is a hit dish right here, there are two ways to join up. Either you can hit my Patreon, which there's a link down below in the video description, or you can hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.